Let's look at Lesson 3.7. Lesson 3.7 is on the habitual past with used to. Habitual means to repeat over and over. If you have a habit, you repeat that habit over and over. That's why we call it a habit. So habit is seen here in the word habitual. The habitual past means something that happened in the past over and over again. Let's look at the habitual past with used to. We use used to plus a base form of the verb to show a habit or custom over a past period of time. It refers to custom that no longer exists. So when we say used to, that means that it no longer happens. Used to. Let's look at the examples. Black children used to attend separate schools. Here's our phrase used to, and here's the base form of the verb, attend. Black children used to attend. Let's look at the next one. Many professions used to be for white people only. Here's the phrase used to, indicating past tense, and the base form be, to be. Many professions used to be for white people only. The third example is similar. There used to be separate baseball leagues for black people. Here's our phrase used to, and here's our base form of the verb to be. There used to be separate baseball leagues for black people. That's the habitual past with used to.